Good afternoon. Welcome to my experimental plant-based kitchen. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a minute, then you'll know I have been trying to convert over to a plant-based diet, and there's certain things I haven't really learned how to do yet, and one of those would be banana bread. Today I'm going to try out a new recipe with buckwheat flour. This is a gluten-free flour. This is the one I'm using. What?
He lost his porch privileges.
Go lay down, Sterling. So. Okay. Thanks. All right. Take two. So I'm going to be trying to make that today. Let me go get a hair clip so I don't get hair in this banana bread, and we'll get into it. We're also in quarantine, so I don't have a lot of ingredients, but this is what I have on hand. Written down what I've used so far. So I have used 1 3/4 cup of this buckwheat flour, and then I've used 1/4 cup of this tapioca flour, and that's all that's in the bowl. Now I'm going to add in, I'm going to add in some baking powder. Here I have some cinnamon, some vanilla bean powder, and salt. I have a granulated sugar here. You can either use coconut sugar or you can use like a monk fruit sweetener, and you can also use white sugar if you prefer. Stirring in all of my dry ingredients. 2 small bananas and 1 large one. I'll weigh it out and let you know how much it actually is. 275 grams. Just going to mash the bananas. I'll be back. Now it is very, very mixed well. And I should really clean my kitchen before I got started, but oh well, here I am. 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Half cup of applesauce. Add in, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like sand. We want to blend until it's just combined. Milk. I'm going to put it in a different bowl. This does not look very good, but we're going to try it anyways. Alright, into the oven it goes. Let's see what it looks like. It smells good. And set it onto a wire rack. Fully cool off because it is still very hot. And then we'll taste test it.